Yo,
How do you vlog again? Chat. This might be the last super vlog. But I'm gonna do this
yo,
again.
tell
Cause
me the
super
and the boy
the
super and
vlog
I never
talk
do. I
40
just got
minute
a
vlog,
haircut as you
call
can
everything,
see.
yeah.
And just make sure you like, share, and
But I really,
subscribe. We're on our way to 40k and we want to hit 40k.
er,
Probably that video
I'll do
can
some
get us to
other things
40k, you
that
see me? When you
probably
don't
do
see
the
thumbnail and the
Super
title
Bowl commercials
already,
and thing and them
we got
the
her to
minority
go out,
stuff
you see
and
me, guys? If you don't know watch the last video, the girl doing the last video, the commercial with me and Siki do, yeah, we asked her out, you know, she forward, you see me, so me just get a chim up because me have to look sweet and me have to look presentable. And we are going we are going where we are right now, got Kingston. Actually the gas station right now, me just get some gas. As you can see right over there, I don't know if the gas is right there, so but yeah, me just get some gas. Hey, wanna look for the gas? You see gas right there, so? She didn't make show any gas right there, so. You see gas tank?
like you see, I write things to be on points out, brother. Come back, catch the beast, 260 on it. Hey, Supreme with the people, with the people. Man, this I guess. Chat, me no know. Maybe go and have a chat. Me no know what chat. I guess this right as well. I write thing. The man good lap pine for the right thing, brother.
Right there, so. By the time reach a Kingston, that done. Be my thing with so gas, but make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Let's get into this. Guys, media, all over. I didn't call it a gas station because when me drive on it all while ago, I see like a notification come up on the beam and say coolant low. So I have to get some coolant by coolant right there, so I forward back car. Me no want no car. Kill me and toll it, you see me? Me can make Bima kill better. One Lamborghini or they sit there kill me, dog. Me feel look better. Me can make Bima kill me, you see me? Can't make Bima kill me, daddy one.
You
Tell you
can't.
honest truth.
Please be my panic
Me
too.
just
Be
put
my
it up on windshield washer
too.
car. Me care want some of this stuff. And get one little water
Windshield.
for coolant, you see me?
Water for
Put it
coolant.
in there and sit there. I
Supreme,
call
I'm not
somebody
going.
just to make sure.
You want the mask thing in your father.
Me can use card? Hold
And
on.
I be man go. Your father.
If you go for me, go for me, yeah, daddy one, go for me, yeah, daddy one.
The carry just open,
And
bro.
every day we do this thing and
Father, yo, Supreme.
you
Oh,
see
yeah,
me?
go, bro. Supreme. Oh, yeah, go.
And then we have to know if we do this thing, I think me late, you know. But I think Sherry's away for me, so we good. We good, because I tell her say 2 to 3 or something like that. Savings. 2 to 3 or something like that. So we good, man. We alright, man. You see me? We just want to minor issue. You know? That's the thing I said. Fling this in a car, fling that in a car, and we good.
Oh, happy bonnet. Yes, you are going.
And if you look on that V6 in there,
V6.
what is V
How
twin
this
turbo power sitting on
twin
there? I
turbo
don't know nothing about car.
Supreme even know.
You see me? I don't know nothing about
But
car, but I
thing
know say
about
this have to
car.
go this door.
Wow, man.
I do know everything about car, man. I'm to man. Make it look like say me a rookie. Must be
Why me go open it? Why not that's why thing I try every day
right
to make it
there.
a super. Hold on.
We should have one of these thing we make a balance in, you see me? I mean, no. Take a look at time, take a look at time, take a look at time. Don't tell me say whole buckle is a take to bomb.
Yes, man. I
No, sir.
mean, when you could have to
I
say
whole buckle
empty,
is a take,
brother.
you know?
Empty. When I last time, we
What
place
a
got
car
Supreme.
craving?
Man
Car
say
take your whole
car
buckle
crib.
and the man in even full. What a sitting. That's sitting serious. You know they sitting here say you have to take a little time and pull up this thing and come up back, you see me? They are flat up so I have to take a little time. And breezy, you know? That's what they sitting here say, man. You have to just breezy a little bit and then you flick in the water and it. Oh, see it go back down there now. Up in it.
Not over.
It's over it.
Not well.
That boil it.
Be my
But
things,
see,
you
go
know.
down
Be my
back door.
things.
He low, man, because he can't tell me say low.
Hello.
He can't tell me say low.
Oh, that's so. Can I get the coolant? The coolant in there?
Yeah, a water they seem to buy and put in it.
Oh, yeah, look at it.
Wait, me a vlog. Nah, man, them see up me there. Me could have opened it, you know, but the dog just go open it, you know. Dog rate me and they sit there.
You live?
No, not live, this is a YouTube.
Oh.
Yeah, like, I put the coolant. Man, right there, so the coolant go go. So we are flicking the coolant in there. Sitting. Big up him man,
My
name
dog
me
has a
while ago,
coolant
man.
with our
Big
water.
up him man, name me hit me while ago, dog. Big up him man, name me hit me while ago, dog. Back on our way to Kingston. Me not feel bad afraid. See, they come and fight. Fasten your seatbelt now, ah. Alright then, me are fasten my seatbelt. Guys, make sure like you as well. I didn't think I go through, you know.
Yeah,
I didn't think
I
I
don't
go
think
through,
I'll
but
go through real
let's
life,
get on our way
real
to
life.
Kingston.
But it's real life, guys.
Yeah, man, I think me reach. Call her.
No, come on, man.
At 27, though?
21, man.
So, I wish one this I made it.
Yeah. No, come on, side for Sweden.
He said 27, you know, so that one I said 27.
But 21.
So, is it down or up from here, so?
So 27, so it would have been. I think it would have been up.
So, if you go up?
Alright, may come out. Maybe I see up on the avenue. May come out.
Yeah, come on, man, the avenue. Because I'm at 27 right now. I don't even know which family right now.
Alright, may come.
Yeah. Oh, and when you come the front door, I don't know what I'm doing. Some sitting stop out tonight, but me buy the thing and it's supposed to come. So you have to go just come in the back.
Oh, that's fine, man.
Oh yeah.
I'm going at the back.
No, you can't come in the front, man. You're gonna start out that no raid, man. Me I come. Just tell me where we go. Call me back.
So come on. So what the cross the road from you?
Well, that's
27,
what's
what
we
number
can
is
have
across
in
the
my
street?
tooth.
Across the street. It's a pink house. Me I look for across the street.
What number?
No number no dey on the house there. Come me the right time.
Boy, oh, she don't know the
Come there
color.
back now, man. Some sit need to buy if you do it. You want to jump on the front?
From you, sir?
What you mean? Jump on the front, man. Guys, Sharice is here.
Hi, guys.
Yeah, she's
Don't
pretty.
make us to be a jumper.
Alright, go on. Go on, we can't embarrass you. Give me your bag. Okay, that's like music. Alright guys, so we're here with Sharice. You guys wanted her.
Hi,
She's here,
I'm back.
You know, as she know this road I know. So you go directly where we go.
Just turn back around.
Turn back around?
Yeah, go find
What about this?
Hey.
Gosh, yeah, see.
Which one can I see myself? Funny.
Watch
Okay,
out.
you look good, man. Yeah, alright.
Get Supreme, man. Supreme,
Just turn around.
Supreme, relax, guy. Relax, buddy.
I can't tell the road I grown, so I have to turn right. You can't grown, sir?
That road here?
Grown. I have to turn right.
Yes, because that's a dead end.
Oh, okay. Oh!
Yes, it's a dead end.
Tell me now, see that.
You told them what we're doing today?
You can't explain it to them.
Okay, guys, so I'm going to kind of bring him into my world a little bit, my girly world. So we're going to chat. Wow.
We're girly world.
Anyways, so we're going to try a matcha today at Cafe Blue.
1 year so.
Exactly. Guys, have you guys ever?
Man, that just so like you run belly already. But 1 year matcha? No.
Yeah, man.
So we're going to try matcha and we're going to rate 1 to 10, and you know, yeah.
Left, right. Where me go? Straight?
Yeah, straight up.
You know, see how somebody reach first?
Really?
We have to turn back. Can you tell me about 26 and that? You didn't even know a number where you're there.
I know the number. I told you. Put something that
You
can
even
be
know.
in your maps because I don't know where it is.
Here you know,
Brother.
brother. Here you.
I hate being in charge of the maps.
No man, you're a director today or what do you want, car?
Probably. You have to buy
So
them
real.
when you have money.
So I saw Rin Rag with the whole time.
Yeah, I save it.
Oh, me know what you saw.
Yes,
Okay. Sovereign.
It's so real.
Look for park.
So real, I go whole time, brother.
Guys, we reach. We're here.
We're here.
We're here. Oh, she's vlogging too, y'all. So
yes, subscribe.
the camera big on my
Oh,
camera. Right? Let me see what
big
this one. Then me I tell you the truth.
No, I actually want a camera like that though, like a handy one. Like.
Girl, bye. Girl, bye.
Girl, bye.
See your camera better than mine. And them look there. Lifestyle
Quality.
to go.
Lifestyle. Quality.
Yeah, I walk with me and bag. You see me, at least everything going on. My camera, everything. You just swinging at me and car. I think we go over there to go buy Sakura already, you know.
What?
Sakura there. Sakura there, so great.
Man, sovereign. I work all off Miss Ellie. I'm the manager. You shy? Yeah, see if it's rich. Oh, wow, straight to order. Man, in a smell like airport. I saw airport smell. Stink of coffee.
Oh, and nobody else said that. Fuck. It's that nice cream on them place.
Why camera not there? They eat cake?
Them cake thing.
How are you?
She knows them well.
Cheesecake there.
That one?
Why?
Cheesecake there on this one.
Why?
Oh, yeah.
Guys, in a look. Let me see price them for them somewhere. We get the match. Match you're not blind.
No, you can see?
Yeah, we can. Good. Oh, see match on it. Guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Only if I see we go through, you don't know. He's a survivor, you know?
Survivor. Surviving the fever. The man's first year. Well, we don't know.
Yo, listen, I want to keep the camera. I don't know about yo. Me say when if me have this, you know, say movies.
Movies. But then I feel so fun. Oh man, we need a camera too.
What you
We
wearing?
need a camera. We need a
Comfy, no?
TV.
How about my guitar?
Oh, the man is cool.
It's simple something, you know?
I see you out here dance. That's not it's ready. Yeah.
Hey guys, so you need to just vlog.
Palm, guys, and
Guys, we just had something with them.
forget all about it.
Just, it's a high seat, just saying a high seat kill Mr. Mascus, you know?
Watch me.
You see? You look shy, be chill, you know?
No, we're shy about it.
What are you afraid of? You afraid of people?
I don't know. It's just something. I'm just shy, guys.
Nah.
A true.
Nah, dear. I tell you it's true. Guys, me never true. Me just crosses or so. Me just stand so me just no afraid. As long as me entertain, you know me alright.
Okay, we're waiting on the matcha, y'all.
Yeah. Look at those. The man the bill.
No, man can't watch it. No, man, I'm watch it. Man, me know they go over there. Hey, be able to say if you don't go over there. A whole family will come go over there. Go on.
But yeah, I'm excited to try it. I'm to give an honest review.
Honestly, if it tastes bad, me I go tell you the truth. I'm not gonna drink no more. The ham and cheese. First of all, I'm telling me order. Me order one ham and cheese melt sandwich.
You know, it's like guys, in talk to you talk to me like it's just like a.
So yo,
It's natural. No. No, I'm just saying these are natural.
My name is pretty up now. I'm telling you the truth.
Why don't they exist? Why don't they chat?
I don't know if you do, I don't feel like give her a piece of English. Hey, what's up, baby? Okay, you know, like, can't bother with anything, right? Straight patwa. Straight. So, you think me if you talk to you different?
No, the point that I was making is that you're natural. You talk to anybody.
Yeah.
Those authentic, you know.
Shadi like Tyler, no? You don't know Tyler?
You like that?
What else it is? What else it is?
Tyler is so, you know, one day people don't like
Yeah,
Tyler.
yes, it is.
You see me, Tyler?
Yeah.
Tyler I like funny man, she said.
The artist you're from?
Yeah. Tyler. Who no comment Tyler right now in the comments? Me I tell you no. Cut Tyler. Oh.
Guys, if you're watching this.
Let's just move by. Try and make it
See melanin and sweet.
Yeah.
That is me.
Sing one or song then.
I have one next one to go. If you need cherries, that's you. Go on. We have vlog you. Everybody zooming.
What do you tell us on the name, bro? What do you tell us on
Man,
the
they make both
I'm there here,
and
but me just
a
can't remember right
struggle.
now, brother. Hold on.
This is a struggle
Hold
right
on.
here. But here's
Let me just find. Sorry. Don't
Guys,
mind me. When I know so
the
messing with
moment
my
of
phone,
no,
so
man,
just
them
truth.
they
look,
run belly,
don't
man.
mind me, don't
You
mind
can't
me.
tell me say them they run belly.
E,
You can't tell me say them they run belly.
E, chat, load up.
Them they run belly.
That's right.
No, sir. That a run belly.
Oh, yeah, Chanel.
I think sex up for me, proper. Matcha for the first time. Supreme is here. He has never tried matcha before, so
Sweet man, that camera.
yeah.
Guys, we're gonna try matcha right now.
Oh, Chanel.
It's taste bad thing.
So we got
Staying on me.
this
Anyways,
is my second time
back
trying
to the
matcha.
picture, back to the picture. So I'll go and finish.
Matcha for the first time. Supreme is here. He has never tried
Boy,
matcha
catch
before,
teeth.
so
Sweet man, that camera.
Catch
yeah.
teeth,
Guys, we're
yeah.
gonna try matcha right now. It's taste bad
Love
thing.
teeth.
So we got this is my second time trying matcha.
Second time?
Why,
First time.
why
So
it's
Man,
alright.
then me tell you,
green,
if
but
this is
I
run
put
belly,
the
we don't know
juice,
me
man.
set already. Me tell you honest truth.
Alright.
This tastes like tea bag mixed with milk. Man, you don't know what tea bag? This tastes like tea bag mixed with
Tea bag, which tea bag? Enough tea bag out there,
tea bag mixed with little milk in it, with little sugar in it. It don't taste bad, that tea. This is tea.
Yeah.
This is tea.
that body is
Cheers.
tea.
Basically, me I drink tea.
It tastes better than the Starbucks 100%.
Oh, me not drink Starbucks. No.
Well, I'm just Starbucks thing. And the
Yeah,
girl
go.
them bring me go
And
Starbucks.
man, I don't know if you run down. I don't know if you run down. So when you don't come take on the money, oh, me I go buy one match.
Mm.
No, I don't know if you run down. But you can drink though. But me, regular
Can't
person
listen.
like me not buy. Me not buy.
No, me.
Me not go so long you come buy.
Right. It's for the properties. Like it's really good. Like healthy.
What is do? Give me strength
Let
and
me tell you.
something. Oh yeah.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Strong up your back and something.
We don't know about that, but it's good for your gut health.
But
Wee!
eh?
Gut health. Your belly.
Oh.
Come on. Make
Like your
your
belly
come
big
on.
or something. Oh, me,
You
I'm
don't
not
need it.
you look busy. We not really need it.
You got
It's like
yeah, let
me
me see
know
the day now.
woman, me know one I know watch me belly right now. I have a big gut in front of her.
Don't.
Nobody say
No,
them
it's
sitting
not
there. No.
big crosses to me. Now. Look at it.
Them
If your
sitting
belly
there for
big,
free.
drink matcha tea now.
We don't body shame
Come on,
here.
so.
You see me?
Nobody say them sitting there. Nobody say them sitting there for fun.
Yeah, go on. I sandwich me a wait man.
Good idea with no
It's
big belly,
Yeah,
father.
that's why you're here to help
Nobody say them
us.
sitting there.
let's go teach her a game. Yeah. It's like
You
this
wanna
now.
teach me? Like when we become a bad brother, oh yeah.
Like a movie up. Nothing too exposed.
Boy, watch that now.
I'm the next tripod.
Oh, me, I'm
Hey,
gonna
sorry
do.
for
So you
that.
can scroll on that?
Yeah.
Scroll on it. That better?
Yeah, this is much better.
That thing.
So it goes like this.
Oh yeah.
Boy,
You know, we have to
tripod.
stop at all over. We have to stop at all over because see what them call it. Some coolant thing they come up on the car. And somebody help me to back. I don't see man pull it.
In the way?
And she,
In the way?
yeah. We have to do one hard stuff for a lady, my girlfriend. Come in, no problem. Me help me so.
Yeah.
I don't know what me a taste. I don't know if me a taste milk or sugar. I don't know if I sweet milk this or.
But it's not bad. It's not like guys, this cafe blue one is so much better than the Starbucks. My girls in here, you guys know. Yeah.
Cherries are come. Thank you very much. Yeah, the funny man. You never complain with this thing, eh? I mean, put the camera up on there.
Don't say
If
that
I
much.
complain about make sure we're not in a
Don't
put the
say
camera up
that. Don't say that.
so make sure it's not in there. I'm on them, I don't know, say this is a regular song.
Man,
I
them.
go mash up the same way.
That sandwich.
I don't know. Just take up in camera for me because he never care. I was just like, everybody's watching this.
I know for business. If you just do your thing, you know?
So that's like,
You just feel like somebody else. Right?
Boy, them shit yeah make me hungry.
And if you make business, so you know, I know. You tell them why. So when you want me across, you know, man.
All them
Give
yummy
me,
is
brother, you know, give me peace. Hey, make sure to comment and tell me if you don't want that, but I don't know what these things said already. But they not kill for them, they not kill for you. I'm not even here noisy today.
That's what I'm saying.
Look over there. We can go over this one. Guys, we are re-road. Re-road. Okay, man. Me get some like good nice. You know say first when me this here, me think as me say, me tell her say me think she dey stuck up. Now look how she look. She just
Yeah.
stuck up like
Make it real
hype
man.
on me.
She look like
Honestly. But she's a nice
oh
young
what check
lady.
out, what check out.
She's a nice young lady. When I get to know her,
You
I
don't look
know
for
she's
nice as well, she look high.
shy, yeah.
It's not bad. It's not bad though.
No, it is good. Guys,
If you had the something
7 out of 10.
yeah.
7 out of 10. You need to vlog. Give me a camera. Jesus.
Exactly. Jesus.
And you know what
Down,
vlog
blood.
so y'all go put out, you know. That good, yeah. Oh my. The people would have wonder.
Good that one about.
People would have wonder. Oh, the people are coming on a vlog now. You don't be a good camera in the place. I just saw it with.
Guys, I
You
don't know
will
how like
be
I'm
able
so
to be
shy
like.
right now. Everybody's looking.
And about that, nobody about their business. Nobody
Money I make, you know.
nobody now look for you right now, honestly. They
I
don't
make
care. They do not care.
everybody else do them thing, but everybody else mind them business and stuff like that.
I'm not sure. You're allergic to ranch?
No.
You eat half your one though. I think it's just cheese, right?
So interesting.
You eat one eat? Say me get like one 3-piece right now, okay, so you get that bit?
Maybe one piece maybe. But I would eat it again, like I would go back and eat it.
Okay. It's a Clyde me.
Alright, so I'm gonna ask you.
You like it? It's sweet, myself. You can't eat it now.
Alright. It was sweet, yo.
It's sweet, myself. Can't eat it. Right now, me is a man, me can't believe say me even there here with her, cause you don't know say me is a man. When me see woman, me fool. You need to do this. When me see woman, me fool. Me no go to woman. Me no ask woman number. Actually, they cool. That's not real. But naturally, a miracle right now when you even get this video. I tell you, miracle.
Just be out.
Sherry. Sherry just said I don't know.
Bag of laughing.
You know what I say? Should I ask her? Should I not? Should I? But yeah.
It's manageable, brother. Don't worry.
Guys, I'm a sister.
Exactly.
So we know the day come in, she's like, oh, Supreme, she just look good. Supreme, she just. I'm a sister, man, them. We don't have to just be able to sell it, you know? You know me road already, but be able to sell it. And you need to talk to your black people.
But yeah. What did I say?
Yo, look, let me give one break now. Act as if, you see camera, act as if like are your friend.
Oh.
And like you talk to your friend.
Oh yeah.
That's what I talk to them. Me this be this them sometimes. Cause when them watch this right now, you know, they might look right and say, so we just did it a chat, sir. But they must tell me, me this, you all out, need this. All of Me there, guys, me there drink
What
macho.
is it with me for?
So we're going to do other stuff. So I want him to try the matcha, introduce him to Kingston life a little bit.
Oh, I
I'll see what
Kingston
else I would like to
girly.
try. We can name this
So you know,
series
Kingston girl them
Try
rigid
with
shot.
Cherries Renee.
Trying to cherries, Renee. Alright.
Rating.
Yeah, I think, man, when you think the series should be? Now, definitely we're gonna do
I
more
want
reviews
more
and
food,
stuff.
brother. The man
But, you
just
know,
eat a sandwich, brother. The man
Try
just pull out
matcha.
the
matter
next
of
food,
fact,
brother. Thank you.
2K
Alright,
likes. And we just
One
panic
belly.
with cherries. I mean, if you start telling them thing, you just accompany this thing and you not like this thing.
I'm
You
on one
Exactly.
video. Oh,
know, you can't tell them 2K likes. You have to tell it like, man, like, what you
Wow.
get like, what you
Wait.
like. Like, you have to tell it like, 500 likes and so.
Yeah,
Five hundred likes.
okay.
2K likes,
You
yeah.
don't
Go
post, you
and
don't
meet your
post.
stop right there.
Alright.
My name 2K
Do you
likes.
think, man?
I will bring
2K.
back
Do you
Sherry.
think, man?
Series. Go on next trying
Badness, man.
some
Do you
something.
badness, man?
Maybe I do his makeup.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah, guys, she's a makeup artist.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No, so
tell
them
me a little
thing.
about yourself.
So them thing.
So guys, I'm a makeup artist, content creator. I have my own beauty line that I'm launching soon now.
You need to show them.
Yeah.
Show them his snap. Guys, she have one lipstick. Like she create whatever,
The
whatever.
Blair out promo, child. I have to skip it. I didn't know I have to
But she
skip
have
it.
her
I have
own
no free
brand and
promo.
stuff.
No free promo.
Yeah,
Yeah, I pay me for ad.
Digging into the
Yeah, I
bag.
pay me for
Sorry.
ad.
Digging into
What's
the
your name?
bag.
Then
I
Italian.
only
I
have
got.
olive oil on
You
it
know, I
right
forget
now.
name. Them say name.
What is on a lipstick this?
Like this
Hey, no free promo. Big up yourself still.
good.
No free promo. No free
I had
promo. No free
it. Guys,
promo.
with
No free promo, guys. No free promo. Skip that chat. Yeah, skip
this
that. No free promo. No free promo.
Oh?
No
I
free
with this.
promo,
like
chat.
just
No
say
free
I just
promo.
mix up everything.
Yeah.
Eh?
So that's why I was on the phone with them all day trying to get the first batch was too plain. I never really liked it. You send it back and then
So are you telling me ingredients?
no, they have their general ingredients, but you can tell them what to put in there, what you don't want in there.
My name is Family Man, you know, see me make this man live, man. Put little perfume in there, little city in there, you know?
Look,
I'm
here,
mad see you.
look up two things in there.
They call it.
It is right there.
Which
You
is
just
here then?
have to pick up.
Oh, maybe I go for your cheesecake, you know? Miss, the cheesecake ready?
Cheesecake, really? What kind of?
Superstar, oh yeah? I me the pan. I me look. Me the pan. Look, you see? Me. Jesus please. What's up? It's strawberry, I think. Right now.
Hold on, chap.
Guys, no, me look sweet. I'm on them, proud of me. No, if you're
The
not proud of me, put proud
people in my
in
home
comments right
texture
now.
one
2K
day.
likes to see Sherry's back. But you don't know, say me as a man, me deliver content. Anything you
Listen,
want, me make that
facts. When
happen.
I look on the thing now, like, listen. You know, so we are will have a supreme motion for it. I was 100 likes, 100 likes, 100 likes, 100 likes. And we link up old girl and her. You know what I'm saying?
And if you don't want Beyonce on this, me put Beyonce on this.
Fact.
And Tyler.
You know, if I don't
Me
want,
get Tyler
I
on
want
this.
Jade
In a
upon
long
this.
run.
Put Jade upon this. You
You
have
know?
Jade
Yeah,
and
I am. I gotta
remember
do it.
what
See me.
this is what we
I gotta do it.
doing.
See me. My name Sherry's look good. Sherry's Bobo little brother. Yeah.
Yeah, we don't know anything there.
Me dear. Me not like
Me
her cheesecake.
dear.
Me not like you know.
She get a cheesecake?
Yeah, no, she not give me.
Oh, God.
And you know, say she
You
have
know,
a
me
coffee.
love to like when we have
Coffee
some
video. She come here
interactions
vlog.
and
What a
exactly.
world we live in. What a world we live in. My time now. Oh yeah, I did it for me. I made the pan, man. I'm putting my.
No.
You know, no business. You want to show what kind of. So you know,
No
from me, that
business.
business.
Which are that?
No, we not gonna do that one day.
Yeah, we can't do
We
one
not gonna
day.
give no money
Can't
out.
do
We
can't do one day. Can't do one day. Can't do one day.
we not read Sophia give money if you start business. Me sorry.
Sorry.
I'm very
And
sorry.
Mr. Beast.
We
Mr.
not read
Beast.
so.
We don't
We
know.
get our cheesecake.
Mr. Beast.
Hmm?
What do you think I should do? Like make this one vlog or compile it with other stuff?
Depends on the minutes. There are people that like watch short vlog.
Yeah, I
20
realize.
minutes at least. 20 minutes. Yeah, 20
You
minutes.
have some other footage from me, but
Yeah, you can put them together.
Man, I talk about man, I talk that girl go just
And then
for
with a short
40
message.
minutes. Like, get it back,
She said
Jack.
she like it.
Get back, Jack.
We're gonna make one skit.
I got you
With
free.
the
Yeah,
thing
make
about
me chat.
About that chat.
we
Why
are make one
free?
skit, yeah?
Yeah,
We are gonna make
depend
one
on
skit.
like
Already,
wow,
eh?
chat free.
You just like get the idea right now,
Why
skit yeah,
free?
Matty skit. Because she going like she shy and shy than Siki.
I am trying to.
Yeah, no, Siki shy. Siki is shy. You will go on stage, no?
Probably.
Siki shy than you. Siki now go on the stage there. Siki a cuss first man. Right now Siki a cuss. The guy over there easy myself, I could reach my yard about 12 o'clock. Yeah, guy chat me know I traffic got a chance.
Yeah, man, traffic a go rock.
We need to move to Kingston, man. Them. What do you think? Kingston or Oalaba? Comment down below.
Wala ba?
That's it.
Pero ano may opinion? Wait, it makes sense to me. Wala.
You like it? Man, them, I tell you,
Wala.
say this
No,
alone,
man,
bro.
not na daw wala ba?
If
Wala
you
ba?
ask your girl want me, bro. I think
Like,
strong piece of color. Whole
man,
lot.
Tyler.
Tyler will smell this from wherever she is. She wonder, what me a smell? A super she a smell and she don't know. Super she a smell and she don't know. You know? Like, share and subscribe. We're on our way to 40k. Slap it that.
just
Tell them,
like,
tell
share, and
them.
subscribe.
Tell them
On our way
subscribe.
to
Smash
100
the
The
subscribe.
subscribe
Man,
button.
them, please,
smash
do the
the
right
subscribe button.
thing. What else can
Right.
make it
Right now,
up?
Because we are
Believe.
reached 40k.
40k. Oh, that's good. What's your aim by the end of 2026?
100k.
Yeah, man.
Man, by 3
Yo,
months we can reach
I try and make
100k.
10k.
If we be consistent, if me no post, me tell you say if me no see me post for a long time, probably I work me go look. Probably me want police, probably I don't know, but you see me, we can reach 100k by end of the year we good reach out 200 plus for 300k. Me feel like we can do it.
I feel like we can
If we
do it
put
by
in the
end of the
work.
year. Me to try
But we have put in the work.
100k, man. 100k by end of the year, man. Feel like we can do it, man. Never put in the work, man.
Hey, me I go live tonight, man. Yes, yeah, feel me like alone. That's what I said, man.
So it's it, man. Many people
You
almost
know them
problem.
way, man.
So it's it,
Rest
man.
of them
So
are
it's it,
crosses
man.
for true. I don't like, man, them are true. I true the rest of them are crosses. But big up yourself enough for that, me move on.
Big up on yourself.
I don't be a gay man. What is push her up? Siki LP out, Siki LP out. Siki respect.
Big sicky, bad sicky.
What's up in here when you feeling in me head? So me look in me bed. Goal.
What?
Killing out to kill you, man.
I want to
You
kill
got the phone
her,
now,
man.
don't?
Yeah.
Take a picture.
Yeah, man.
Me
Nothing.
dog, I want to see you, man.
Done.
Alright, big up yourself. Guys, we are going to make
Yeah.
this skit here now, because this skit have to make. Shut up, but she don't want to make no skit here. I make a skit, man. Because I remember say, we don't want to see stuff, you know. I mean, I left for no
Yeah,
out.
man.
That's one thing. I left for no out. I will never let you guys out. I will never. Man, if you know I'm jumping on a volcano, 100,000 likes, I may do that. Then think they are not regular likes. 100,000 likes, I may do it live on camera. Then me go
You
to
can't
hospital,
see,
wanna pay
bro.
me bill, come back out. So we get to work. And we have bring Sherry's in there too.
Me?
Yeah, come. Sherry's, you're not do skydiving?
No.
Why not?
I'm scared of heights.
Come on,
What
that
kind of
would be
style up,
fun
man?
though.
What do you mean
That would
scared? Like,
skydiving would be fun.
You guys, should I go sit?
Yes, you should. Yes, you should do a skit.
chat, I remember that time I actually, me sky really vlogging thing,
Why
and
you
me do
want to
some
ask that
vlogs in
chat?
a chat, but me just happy. Like, if me do with a
Ah.
group, with a easier for me just
Right now, I
go
skit
on
you
with the
go
vlogging
initiate
thing,
right now.
dog. But, like, if me arm me have a cameraman
Yeah.
or shit,
I say
dog.
skit can't bother do.
Boy, me tell you,
That's
say
how
the
we figure out
solo
though.
thing, boy, me to
Skit still a good, you know. Baby skit a
you
good.
got to go. You have to
Right
get
now, we
used to
just done
chat.
finish making skit.
Night time.
She did
Boy,
excellent.
dog.
She did excellent. Let me show the P side to matter of fact. How you phone there? Me show the P side, man. Them. She did very good. She was you want to see her in her acting era.
Yes, acting bag.
You're bad.
Look on her. And your body is tea.
Drive the car now?
Drive the car, baby.
Drive the car.
Just drive the car.
One. Hey, what happened?
Oh man, them, you know, say that we have to edit up and send this, you know. Cherise did a skit. She said, I mean, I first saw it if you make she do a skit, cause a Supreme see me, I don't know. Supreme is, you know. But man, them, yeah, we're going to
in my skit era.
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 No, era is in here.
You can say era or
Era. No,
you can
Cherise.
say era. You can
Era.
say, listen to me when I talk.
E-R-A, how you pronounce?
Hey, dog.
Era and you can say era.
First me hear that, baby. Era. Era.
I said era or era.
Skip era.
It's era. You can say era or
It's era, okay? No, era. Era. Ooh, get that right there. I tell me say when people do prank, they don't see big on the camera right there. So nobody can tell me say they don't see camera. Oh, when them do skit prank and the camera big on the camera there, so you tell me say you don't see a prank that?
No, how they do it is because they're always bugging. Like they always, so it's like if we were to vlog all day and then you just do something and them catch it, so they wouldn't even know that is
it's a record.
Prank.
Come
no,
on, they can't say that a record.
No, they know that is a prank, but they just think it's a regular vlog. Like sometimes you can chop out things out of vlog and probably think you can chop that out or something.
The thing with me, you know, me can't hide this camera, I can't find you. You see it? Look at.
Oh, wow.
Still a record, me? Me can't hide this thing right now and probably you wonder with this camera there.
Would you do pranks?
Of course. Me prank you one day, you just not gonna know. But y'all, I'm gonna, where we are going to studio?
Yeah.
Go get something first?
Yeah.
So we are going to makeup studio, go get something first, and then we drop our home because we're gentlemen and stuff, you know. But we just go to go to piece of breeze, you see me?
Yeah, man.
Guys, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. You see me?
Over there.
I saw me get to work, I don't know, I saw me stay in a me bad shot and me clocks and sitting here, you see me?
But
Just
no
have to show me
clock,
free.
man.
So, and comment,
That's
I remember say 2K likes, we do our next video with Cherise. Right here.
Going to my studio, guys.
Okay. Elevator, we take elevator.
Yeah?
Elevator.
You know something $5 grand though? You can find it?
You drop 5 grand?
Yeah.
You drop 5 grand. Anybody would have find that man, sweet them man. The 5 grand they would have sweet them.
Oh, yes, man. Yes, man. Son of a gun, man.
It's beautiful, y'all.
Sweet, man.
It's where to do makeup and stuff.
Yo, thanks for information. We've been on my idea, man.
I mean, that bad, dad.
No pay for me with the 5 grand, man. Sweet, man.
Big up you, my dog.
Yeah, man. Big up, man.
Wow. We're moving. Unfortunately, it was cute, right?
Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, move.
Yeah, we're moving.
Cherise, Renee.
Oh, yeah, Cherise. How are you doing, sir? What is this?
Ah.
You stand on
So you have to go pack up everything now?
Yeah, all these. But that's fine.
That's crazy.
These are these.
My name, I just want to make up when I do one thing that, but you know, man. Like, hey, mirror your friend.
Mirror them, man.
This is the pan. Yeah, this is the pan. Just to show you free. Oh, if you go into that elevator right now, here's some stuff. Yeah, but I'm stuck in that right now. Are you going in?
Yeah.
You see, I glad I'm shit, you know.
I
glad.
What the can't say that?
Elevator, yeah. When you have like you can't show them that when you talk, you have to turn it to you. And yes.
Oh, hold on.
Yeah, even for when you talk.
Yeah.
Why that look good, man? Them look there.
Yeah, it looks
yeah,
nice.
man.
Me stuck in it right now.
Yeah, man.
You look too bad.
Yeah, man.
Please don't say that.
Too bad.
Oh, cute little elevator vibes.
You want thumbnail? Nobody near something.
Yeah, true.
One thumbnail.
Oh.
Bad thumbnail.
You can screenshot from the video.
Yeah, but me not like that.
It lowers the quality.
Yeah.
I mean, you're quality now, girl. Definitely. I know that for sure.
Guys, can you believe I did my hair myself?
Yeah, that she said she do her ear. What is that black in? I mean, that show what make hair a while ago. Yo, you light bright, though.
Right.
Oh, man. Yo, the light really just flicker around.
Yeah, ever. Man, about 6-5 times she tried open it. Wait. Here we go now. About 6-5 times she tried open the front. Do you want to see him? Yeah, so come back round. Hey, I'm out that time in jump round. Backside. If you want, come on, come round. Man, me know say light bright, me know say so they light your tan, but you have come to the end of the vlog, you see me? Just make sure to like, share, and
vlog, you want super, you know the thing, you're a mad vlog. Listen, man.
I don't know that's me, I don't know, I don't know
100 likes.
I do,
100 likes. Do the thing right thing, man, sir. believe.